Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisode. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I have these wonderful stamp and cutting dies, snow globes from hot off the press. They're really fun, and I can't wait to show you all the fun things that Debbie and I made with them. So come play with us. So I'm going to start out with the Snow Globe and Scene cutting die set. This comes with 9 different cutting dies, and Debbie made this beautiful card with this scene. The snow globe, there's acetate here, if you can see that little shimmer, and the beautiful trees that she die cut from both white and silver, and then these beautiful reindeer. And I was like, Debbie, what did you use on those reindeer? And let me show you. So I went ahead, they're both cut from white cardstock, and she used these wonderful glitter pens, and she used clear on the white one so that it just had this beautiful white shimmer, and then she used silver on the other. So here we go. I'm going to show you how this looks. So you just start off with the white here, and then you're just going to paint that on, and it's kind of a gunmetal-y kind of a silver. It's not like a pure silver. It is so beautiful. It's like an antique silver, I think. There we go. And she just put one coat on and then let that dry for a minute or two, and then did a second coat. And you can see just really beautiful color on that. Okay, and then I had a second card to show you, which is actually on the back. We always, hot off the press is so great about putting card ideas on the back of each of their products. And this great card, which I made, but has since disappeared somewhere in the building. So we couldn't find it this morning. So you can get a better look on that if you go to the product page for the cutting dies. All right, so let's take a look at the stamp set. Oops, here we go. So fun. I should mention also that for the stamps set, the cutting die for the snow globe is a great way to cut out not the entire stamped image, but if you just want to cut out just the snow globe part and then recess the image of the little background images, you can do that. I'm going to show you how to do that, but I wanted to make sure and let you know that. So here's the first card. This is the center step card, and I used the cabin, which I thought was so charming, and I colored it with Spectrum Noir pens. And so let me just show you here. I just started out here with this image, and then I wanted to stamp. What's great about these is they come with these curved stamps that you can put along the top, and then they also have another stamp that can go actually at the base of the snow globe. So we're going to do that right now and show you how that works. So to save a little time, I've already gone ahead and pre-stamped my thing here. Look at this. Isn't this cute? Somebody put a little washi tape on that so I can get my magnet up. I'm not sure who did that, but I thank you so much. All right, here we go. And then we're going to take the coordinating greeting, believe in the magic of the season. Magic of the season would just go right there. Okay, and then I'm going to be using, of course, this is, imagine that this has been colored. And then I'm going to be using my alcohol-proof ink pad, the Finesse ink pad. And that's so great that Spectrum Noir labels all of their ink pads with what the property of that ink pad is. So you don't have to guess whether or not this ink pad is going to work with alcohol, because it says it's alcohol-proof right on it, which I think is just a great idea. Okay, we just do that. And what's so great about our stamping pad, oh, I want a little bit more ink on that bottom. My stamping platform, rather, is so great, the Misty, so I can just get that a little darker if I'm not happy with that first inking. Here we go, so easy. All right, so cute, right? All right, let me show you another card. Oh, I should go back to this one. So yes, I colored them with brown, green, and then for the sky, I just used a gray Spectrum Noir pen and added some white jewel border dazzles. And the paper pack that I used is Jeweled Winter's Butterfly. So you can see in the snowflakes, there's a little bit of a pattern of a butterfly, which is so cute. All right, the next card For this one, this used the Joy to the World sentiment on here, and it's got the really beautiful manger scene, and I did this on black cardstock and stamped it with the watermark translucent clear stamping pad, and it's just clear ink, and then sprinkled that with superfine gold embossing powder and heated that with a heat gun, and you just get this really beautiful shimmer. And then the paper pack that I used was Christmas Sparkle, and one of the papers in Christmas Sparkle has all these little words on it, and so I went ahead and cut one of those out and made a little flag with that, and added a couple sparklets on there, and then some ribbon that coordinated with that. I think that turned out just really charming. Okay, so the next card I've got for you, also another cute little snow globe scene. This one's got acetate in it on it too, but this particular acetate is called the Snowfall Acetate. Oops, it's actually sticking to something. There we go. As you can see, it's got a great snow pattern on it. It comes in a pack of 16. You'd have lots of acetate when you buy that. And what I did here was I went ahead and used, there we go, this little snowman guy. He's so cute. I used the snowman, and then I used the cutting die to go ahead and remove that centerpiece right here, and it cut this out. I colored this brown, and then I put this right here, and then I used that, once I had that glued on my card front, I used that as a pattern to just cut out the inside part right there. You can see. Then put that acetate behind it. And then the inside, I could have just used this piece on the inside there, but I wanted to have the full snow globe there, so I went ahead and stamped it again and then just cut that out, colored that, used some little silver sparklets, and colored my little snowman guy. It was a really simple card to put together. And then Debbie made this fantastic shaker card that we're gonna show you how to make this. Got the snowflakes in there, really gorgeous. She of course used a little deer scene, which is adorable. She used a center step card. There we go. And this paper pack, really, really cute. This is from Winter Wishes Artful Card Kit. Got a great combination of colors on that. Kind of a non-traditional winter scene. So what we did first was, or she did first was, went ahead and stamped the little snow globe scene, used the tri-blend markers to do some coloring here, and then used the snow globe cutting die to go ahead and cut that from a square, and then backed it with acetate and foam tape. And I should show you the giant wheel of foam tape Debbie and I are so excited that we're carrying now at Paper Wishes. It's huge. This is what we use, okay? This is like this big industrial size, 1/2 inch wide foam tape. There's 50 yards or 150 feet on here. And you'll just never run out of foam tape. And we love that the strips are, you can cut them thinner and just have a limitless amount of foam tape. Okay, so what we did here is Debbie glued this piece to the mat. Go ahead and get some glue here. She has a little blue mat. Once she did her coloring, she glued the blue mat to the coloring to the blue mat. And she's got this little snow globe scene, so it's got the foam tape on there. And then she took these wonderful little snowflake sequins. They come in this great little tin. Of course, it goes without saying you can get all these things at Paper Wishes. And you just put a little bit right in the center, right there. Just a little pile of that. And then you're just going to take this foam taped piece and center it right over your snow globe. There we go. Like that. So it's got this mat around it. And then here's this little snow globe piece. There we go. And I just die cut that from blue for my sample. And then we put a little foam tape back there. You're just going to put that right over the front of the first one. Oops. Okay, and then as you can see, Debbie stamped on white cardstock the greetings, and then just cut around those and just put that one here and then up here. And then she went ahead and stamped another one of the deers from the deer scene right here, but then she just cut the deer out, put a little foam tape on it, and then just lined that up with the first deer. So it's got extra dimension on that. Okay, so cute. And then it goes right here on the front. It's all self-contained. Okay, and you just have to add your greetings, and of course some really beautiful jewel dazzles and some snowflake dazzles as well. All right, so as you can see, both of these snow globes, super cute, very versatile and fun. So check out the money saver that we have on this. It's a great deal, and I'll see you next time.